The Army named the Bell V-280 Tiltrotor as the aircraft it wants to see eventually replace its iconic but 4-decade-old H-60 Black Hawk at the center of its aviation corps. The V-280 will be phased into the service as its primary transport and assault aircraft, beating out a competitor from Sikorsky Boeing. Bell Helicopter announced that the V-280 Valor design had been selected by the U.S. Army for the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator Phase. The JMR-TD phase is the technology demonstration precursor to future vertical lift. The V-280 Lockheed will provide integrated avionics, sensors, and weapons to the aircraft. For the flight control systems, GE Aviation for the engines, GCAN for the tail structure, Spirit Aero Systems for the composite fuselage, Eaton Corporation as the distributor of hydraulics and power generation systems, and Astronics Advanced Electric Systems to design and manufacture power distribution systems. The V-280 is designed for a cruising speed of 280 knots, 520 kilometers at, hence the name V-280. It has a top speed of 300 knots, 556 kilometers at, a range of 2,100 nautical miles, 3,900 kilometers, and an effective combat range of 800 mi, 920 miles, 930 to 1,480 kilometers. Expected maximum takeoff weight is around 30,000 pounds, 14,000 kilograms, in one major difference from the earlier V-22 Osprey Tiltrotor. The engines remain in place while the rotors and drive shafts tilt. A drive shaft runs through the straight wing, allowing both prop rotors to be driven by a single engine in the event of engine loss. The V-280 will have retractable landing gear, a triple redundant fly-by-wire control system, and a V-tail configuration. The wings are made of a single section of carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite, reducing weight and production costs. The V-280 will have a crew of 4 and be capable of transporting up to 14 troops. Dual cargo hooks will give it a lift capacity to carry a 10,000 pounds 4,500 kilograms M777, a 2-howitzer, while flying at a speed of 150 knots, 170 miles per hour, 280 kilometers a. The fuselage is visually similar to that of the UA-60 Black Hawk medium lift helicopter. When landed, the wing is more than 7 feet, 2.1 meters from the ground, allowing soldiers to egress easily out of 2 6-foot, 1.8 meters wide side doors and door gunners to have wide fields of fire. Although the initial design is a utility configuration, Bell is also working on an attack configuration. Whether different variants of the V-280 would fill utility and attack roles, or a single airframe could interchange payloads for either mission, Bell is confident the Valor Tiltrotor platform can fulfill both duties. The U.S. Marine Corps is interested in having one aircraft to replace utility and attack helicopters, but the Army, which leads the program, is not committed to the idea and wants distinct platforms for each mission. Bell and Lockheed claim an AV-280 variant can launch rockets, missiles, and even small unmanned aerial vehicles forward or aft with no rotor interference, even in forward flight and cruise modes with the rotors forward. The V-280 prototype air vehicle concept demonstrator, or AVCD, was powered by the General Electric T-64. The specific engine for the model performance specification MPS was unknown at the time, but has funding from the Army's Future Affordable Turbine Engine program. The V-tail structure and ruddervators, made by GCAN, will provide high levels of maneuverability and control to the airframe. It will be made of a combination of metals and composites. Features in the interior include seats that wirelessly charge troops' radios, night vision goggles, and other electronic gear and windows that display three-dimensional mission maps. Special emphasis has been placed on reducing the weight of the V-280 in comparison to the V-22. Composites are used extensively in the wing, fuselage, and tail. Wing skins and ribs are made of a honeycomb stiffened sandwich construction with large cell carbon cores for fewer, larger, and lighter parts. The V-280 Valor helicopter integrates a clean sheet design with a V-tail configuration and fuselage of composite construction. The wings are made of a large cell carbon core. The helicopter is designed to carry 4 crew members and 11 troops. It will feature 2 spacious 1.83-meter side doors for convenient entry and exit at armed forces. The aircraft is fitted with a conventional retractable landing gear for better control during takeoff and landing. The V-280 helicopter is equipped with triple redundant fly-by-wire flight control system for precision aircraft handling and improved safety. The system helps to reduce the workload of pilots and weight of the aircraft, while minimizing the maintenance costs as compared to traditional flight control systems. The power plant of the V-280 Valor helicopter includes 2 turbocraft engines coupled to 3-bladed tiltrotor and drive units. The non-revolving and fixed engines will make the helicopter more stable during hover mode and will provide enhanced control. It is capable of operating at very hot temperatures of up to 95 and flying at an altitude of 6,000 feet. The V-280 configuration benefits from all the lessons learned over 650,000 tiltrotor flight hours by the U.S. military. This is the key significant strength that enabled the next generation, digitally designed V-280 demonstrator to fly well over a year earlier than any other JMR technology demonstrator and consistently achieve a higher flight test operational tempo and significantly more flight time. The V-280 Valor delivers with high predictability the performance attributes necessary for Army aviation to execute its air assault mission, keep pace with its partners,